there everybody, I'm Leon and welcome to a new video. I make content every day focused on video production, making money online, tutorials and business, so if those are your interests then be sure to subscribe with those notifications turned on. So today I'm going to be showing you how to add social media icons to your videos in Premiere Pro. So without any further hesitation, let's just jump right into it. Okay everybody, so I'm on Premiere Pro right now and as you can see this is what I've got on my timeline. It's just a forest stock footage. So essentially add some text first because it makes the most sense. And essentially just I'm going to type in my social username, so leonofficial_17. By the way, go give them a follow. Anyway, so just size that a little bit, just make it look nice. And now essentially this is where the magic happens. So just drag your, well this over here, hold on. Just decrease the size of that. So like that. Now, do the same thing with these two. So just insert it there as well. And essentially the same thing again. Decrease it so that it actually fits. And hold on, that is quite big. Hold on, wait for it. Voila! And that's essentially it. Okay everybody, so that is how you add social media icons to your videos in Premiere Pro. If this video was of value to you, then be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on for more videos. Leave a thumbs up and share the video to help it rank in search results and help the channel grow. And if you have any questions or feedback for me, then please do not hesitate to leave them down below or pop me a message at leonofficial_17. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next time. Take care everybody.